am well aware that I haven't yet posted up a video using both of the boxes that I got in January. Very good reason for that. I've been incredibly busy. I also got a little bit unwell, and then I had my birthday, so there's been a lot going on, but I promise the crafts are in motion. Now, today we are opening up the Pixie box for February, and a little birdie tells me that the theme is something to do with cats. So if you know anything about me, then you would know that I love me some cats. So let's get into it. Side note, I was totally wearing my Hello Kitty jumper today by accident. However, the ears, that was a calculated decision. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Campbell, and I'm super duper excited to open up this box. Oh my goodness gracious me. I have no idea what is inside. All I know is that the theme is perfect. Okay, so that is what I am excited for. Now this feels rather different because usually in the Pixie box, it's all kind of like wrapped up. But that feels like resin, and we don't usually get resin in a Pixie box. So I don't quite know what's going on there. Let me just double check. Hold on. Let me just check. Yeah, it is definitely a Pixie box. It says it there. It also says it there. It's a Pixie box. Why do we have resin? Unless that's gonna become a new thing now. Are we gonna start to include resin in a Pixie box, or is it just for this once? I have no idea. I'm excited nonetheless. Now, my darlings, if you are brand spanking new to the Shasha squad, then I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. And if you do, then feel free to stick around. Here, this is probably about 100 grams of resin. Let's check. Yes, 50 and 50. So we have 100 grams of epoxy resin here. And this is a 1-to-1 fast curing resin as well. I wonder how fast. I wonder how long does it say to leave it for? It says to wait for 12 hours. 12 hours, that's, you know, that's pretty fast, pretty fast. A lot of resins tend to be like 24-hour ones. So 12 hours isn't bad. Is that more resin? Why do we have more resin? How much are we actually expected to do? So we actually have 200 grams of resin. This is very interesting. We never usually get this in a Pixie box. Is this definitely a Pixie box? I'm so confused. Right, hold on. Okay. Oh, is that actually wrapped now? Okay, no, see, it is still wrapped. This is definitely a Pixie box. It is wrapped, but the resin was on top of this. Okay. Now I see where we're going with this. Okay, here we go. I'm excited. I'm so excited. It was my birthday on the weekend, so I'm still a little bit like high on life after that because it was an epic birthday. So yeah, this now just feels like another birthday present, to be honest. Right, what are you? Ooh, Okay, mixed feelings about this mold, and I'll tell you why. Super duper cute because it's a cat. Not so cute because it's got a butterfly on the nose. And if you know anything about me, then you know I hate butterflies with a passion. But we can just ignore that and look at the cute little kitty. It is very cute. You know, I mean, I'm sure I can forgive it. I have made butterfly things before. I just don't make a habit of it. Right, next, what have we got? Ooh, what's that? I have absolutely no idea what this is. What is this? Oh, is that, oh, okay. I think we've actually had these before, but slightly different. These ones look nice. So these are for bag charms. I do like those. I like that they're slimmer, but thicker. The ones that we had before were wider, but thinner. So I like that, and they're more of a sort of like purple iridescent as well. Ooh, girl. And they've got silver findings. So yeah, there are some slight differences between them. I do like these. Okay, next. What's this? This feels like literally nothing. Oh, so we have some little iridescent paws cut out of iridescent film. Oh, these are so nice. That's nice that they're already cut out. Oh, that's really pretty. I don't know if you can see that properly. I'm going to pop up a little overlay anyway so you can see. But that's beautiful. So I would imagine then that we have a mold to match this. Literally anything to do with cats and I'm happy. Okay, what's this? Bezels? Bezels. Oh! Oh, these are so... Oh my gosh, hold on. Oh, we have one that's curled up sleeping, another one that's sitting, another one that is holding a heart, and another one that's sitting with a heart on its tail. These are absolutely adorable. The one that's curled up sleeping reminds me of my tattoo that I have. Let me show you. There we go. This is my beloved Simba, who sadly passed away when I was younger. And I got a tattoo of him curled up asleep because that's how I last remember him. Oh, this is so lovely. Oh, we have a mold. We have a mold. Is this going to be a mold to go with that iridescent paw print? Yeah, yes it is. Oh, hello. Yeah. Oh, I like that it's a textured one because I already have paw print molds, but they're not textured. This one is textured. So it's just like little toe beans. Oh my God. Toe beans, toe beans, toe beans, toe beans. This is so cute. I love the feel of it. That is adorable. We do love some toe beans in this house. This means that I need to hurry up and finish the other two crafts so I can get onto this one. This is gonna be like my prize after I finish the other two. Now, what is this? Shaker oil, floating shaker oil, green. We've had this one here before. I believe that we've had the floating shaker oil. I think it was it with the Halloween box? Maybe? Like, for like the cauldron? I think that's what it was for. Okay, I'm not sure if I would use that color. I wish that they did this in a different color, maybe like a pink or a purple. And I can't really make that pink because it's green. Okay, what is next? What's this? This feels like a little applicator of some sort. Yes, I was exactly right. Okay, so we have two little sponge applicators here, which I'm guessing might be for a powder, like a mica powder or something. Let's have a little feel around. My God, this mold is massive. Oh my God, right, let's save that. And that feels quite big as well. We'll save that. I'm a tease, innit? I'm sorry. Right, what's this teeny tiny thing? What is the, oh, we have, oh, this is so cute. We have some iridescent pink paw prints. Oh, they are so sweet. They are adorable. Okay, what is this? Beads. Ooh, rhinestones. Ooh, a nice selection. This is like a kind of like a sort of confetti party popper color themed gemstones. Very, very pretty. Okay, what is next? That's a mica powder and you are in lilac. Oh, grayish violet. Ooh, that very much matches this, doesn't it? That matches that pretty well. Okay, should we do one of the molds? This feels like it could be like multiple things in here. Oh, a clock. No, get out. Get out of town. No. Oh my goodness gracious me. No wonder we have so much resin. Oh my God. I love that they included resin in this box. What a nice touch. So we have the clock mechanism here and we have the, God, this is so cute. It's massive, isn't it? It's big. This is so perfect. I can make a Pusheen clock. Oh my God, with the little toe beans. Oh no. Oh my goodness me. How cute would that be though? Could you imagine Pusheen chilling out in the middle here and then like the pink toe beans and like grey with all like glitter and whatnot. Oh my God. That's so lovely. I love that. I love that it's actually got numbers on as well. It's got the 12 and the 6 on there. I love that very, very much. That's adorable. I didn't expect this at all. That's fantastic. Oh my God. Oh, shaker film. Shaker film? Do we have a shaker in here as well then? If we have shaker film, I'd imagine that we have a shaker. Oh, there's more. There's more things. Hang about, there's more. What's this? Oh! So we have some teeny tiny little clay paws, but they've got holes in them. So I think that they're meant for like threading through chain or elastic. Very, very cute. Are they more bezels? Maybe. They are. Oh, let's have a look at you. Everybody wants to be a cat because the cat's the only cat who knows where it's at. Not sure if that was actually in the right key or not. I don't think so. Oh, these ones are like little, like mummy or daddy and baby ones. Oh my God. Oh, I think that this one is the mum because of the way how she's holding the kitten. And I think this one is the dad because it's got the kitten on top of his shoulders. And then this is the mummy and daddy together. This is adorable.com. It really is. This is the sweetest thing. No, this is so, so, so sweet in here. I can't believe how much is in here. This is ridiculous. Right, we've got two things. What are you? Teeny, tiny little itty bitty cats. Oh my God. Little itty bitty cats. This is super adorable. And then the tiniest cat molds, the smallest little cat. I think these must be for like making studs, like earring studs. These are adorable and so, so small. Oh my gosh. Is that something else there as well? No, okay. What is this? All right, here. So we have just like some jump rings and some eye screws in this little packet here. Right, this big hefty thing. What is the, oh my. Oh, wow. Okay, you are humongous. Oh my God. Wow, all I see is mirror. When I look at this, all I see is a mirror, a gigantic mirror. Because like you've got like the handle, like the tail as the handle. It's the first thing I think of is a mirror. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's probably supposed to be a trinket tray of some sort, but all I see is a mirror, guys. This is adorable. This is super, super, super cute. Okay, let me just take a moment to just absorb everything and then we'll have a little brainstorm session. Okay, so, you know when I was like, oh, we've got some shaker film here. Maybe there's a shaker inside. I completely forgot that the very first thing I pulled out was actually a shaker mold. So something like this you could probably use for a key ring or for a bag charm, maybe even a little necklace. But yeah, that is definitely a shaker. I just didn't twig that it was because I was too focused on the fact that there was a butterfly on there. You know how it is, like whatever you're afraid of, you tend to see it first, right? So yeah. I think that the amount of bezels that we got would be really good for a little charm bracelet of some sort. Of course, you could also do quite an elaborate bag charm with them, but I think all of them together on a bracelet would look super, super adorable. You could even make tiny little decorations, maybe to hang up, maybe for your Christmas tree. I know it's a little bit early, but you know, think ahead. Or even if you have a cat, you can make like a little mobile, and so then they can just be like dangling from that and you can hang it up in your cat's little area. Oh, how cute would that be? That would be so adorable. This you could definitely use to make one of those phone grips for the back of your phone. I'm still in love with the fact that it's actually a textured mold. I haven't seen one like that before. So I think that's a really, really cool idea. You can also put squishy gel on the insides, let that set, and then add in your resin so that the main part of it is hard, but like the toe beans are squishy, and then you can just, whoop, whoop. Oh my God. That would be so, so cute. I think what I'm probably most excited to make though is this clock. I haven't made a clock in quite some time. And I really do want to theme it around Pusheen because Pusheen is life. So yeah, I think out of everything, that's probably going to be the one that I'm going to make at least first. But before I can even think about doing this, let me get the other 2 boxes finished and then this will be my prize. Looking at the pamphlet though, it doesn't actually say that resin comes in the box. So I am intrigued to know, did you get resin in your box as well? Like, I don't know if that was just a little additional thing that they chucked in there for everybody or what, I'm not sure. But it's not listed in the table of ingredients. So please let me know if you also got some resin. Right, my darlings, what do you think about this box? Which was your favorite item from it? If you have it already, what are you itching to create? I would love to know. And also, if you have any more brainstorming ideas, please do feel free to jot them down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you are loving being part of the Shasha squad, then feel free to visit my merch store where you can grab yourself a cute little t-shirt or even a little hoodie with one of my sayings on there. You know the drill, girl. Just go ahead and go and treat yourself to something nice. And also, if you haven't already, then feel free to subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.